Hi, I'm Kelly, and these are my sisters Nancy and Karen. We love to travel, but, you know, the lockdown has put a hiatus on travel. So for Christmas this year, we are doing Vlogmas this year.
So join us every day this month up until Christmas as we try treats from around the world.
And bake different countries' traditional Christmas goodies.
And make Christmas
with Nancy,
crafts.
with Christmas crafts.
Yeah.
And talk to people from all over the world. We're so happy you're joining us. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Hi, we're going to Hungary!
What is this?
An authentic Hungarian sweet roll.
Looks good.
Has wheat, so I cannot try it.
It's really pretty.
It is very pretty.
Mmm.
It's very good.
Mm-hmm. That warmed up will be delish. A little sweeter. There are raisin bits in it?
I don't remember.
Date bits? Raisin
Maybe.
bits? Something. That's good. Oops. That's good though. I like that.
Good. Because that one was shipped from Hungary and super expensive.
Thank you, Hungary.
Thank you, Hungary.
That was delicious.
We're going to get the stuff that I can't eat done
Finished.
first. So, and it's going to be these authentic gingerbread cookies. Iced gingerbread cookies. I so
Well,
wish...
stop touching things you can't eat.
I so wish I could eat that. Look how pretty that is.
It's a gingerbread heart.
It should have been...
It's at the doctor. Oh, this reminds me of something of my childhood. What is that? Because it feels like it's going to be hard. It's actually chewy. No, it just reminds me of something of my childhood and I can't place it.
Well, it makes her think of something from her childhood. I don't know what it is. Or what she...
Maybe there were iced ginger snap cookies when I was a kid.
Oh, maybe.
Like, they came in a box and they were about yay big.
Could be.
Could be. They're pretty good, though. I like them.
Now I can try this stuff, so it should be more fun for
me.
Karen. The Hungarian honey bear, and it has a chimney sweep up top. And these are honey-filled candies.
Let's do it.
Ooh, they smell like a cough drop.
Oh, great. They look like a cough drop.
They look like a cough drop.
They look like Ludens, but
A little bit
yellow instead of red.
Tastes like honey.
That what it tastes like?
Ew. And medicine.
Did you bite yours in again?
Oozy. Ooh. I don't...
Did you bite yours?
I did not. I don't like that at all.
To me, it really doesn't taste like anything.
Had a very medicinal taste.
It tastes like nothing.
That's funny. Well, let's try something else. We have...
Something brought to you by the letter M.
M. Mmm. M. It is in Hungarian.
Another wafer cookie. Let me have it.
Karen's gonna try it first.
It's got to be made by the exact same company. And I'm betting it's a wafer-filled, chocolate-covered. Nope. Sorry, that was not good.
Let's try something else.
I did not like the letter M.
This, we actually have some Christmas candies.
Are these going to be wafer-filled things too that you can't eat?
And these are cocoa-covered jelly bonbons in lemon, orange, and raspberry for Christmas.
Are these not the same thing?
And they gave me the exact same thing.
I thought 2 bags of the same thing.
Well, one was supposed to be banana.
Why? Why would you order banana?
One was supposed to be chocolate. So they gave me 2 of the same thing. One was supposed to be chocolate-covered banana, and one was supposed to be just other fruits. But I got 2 of the same fruit.
Well, they look pretty.
They're very pretty, very Christmassy.
These packages look fantastic. And then you open them up, and if they're anything like the last one, they were not fantastic.
A little chocolate.
Ooh. 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 I'm sorry. I can't do that. Sorry.
Well, those were our Hungarian ones. We
Like some, we didn't like some.
really didn't like some.
This was delightful.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See you guys. Thanks for watching. All right, we are making apricot kolaches. I have no idea how to pronounce it. They're little cookies with an apricot filling. It's going to be so good. Let's get started. Oh, it's from Hungary. So these are a traditional Hungarian cookie that you see very often at Christmas time. It's a cream cheese dough with an apricot filling. And if you don't like apricot, you can use any filling that you like. You could use apple, you could use strawberry, literally, sky's the limit. But you should get a jam or a jelly that is thick and spreadable. If it's too runny, it's not gonna make a good cookie. So just remember that. Oh, these don't freeze well and they don't keep very long in the fridge. So once you make them, you're gonna wanna eat them. Okay, so we need 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 sticks of butter, which is a cup of butter, and you cream those together. So let's start with that. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Always feels like Christmas when you start baking the Christmas cookies, doesn't it? Gosh. Just love it. Cream cheese and butter. Okay, that's looking light and fluffy. So now we add 2 1/4 cups of flour. There's 1 cup. Alright, here's 2. And 1/2 teaspoon salt. And the dough is supposed to be sticky. I'm using a gluten-free flour here. I'm using a gluten-free flour, and this dough is supposed to be sticky, and I have little crumbs, and it's not very sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit of water. Always having to experiment a little bit when I use gluten-free flour. It's just not the same as regular flour. There we go. That's already looking better. Okay, now I roll out the dough and wrap it in saran wrap or whatever you have on hand. And you refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before you start baking your cookie.
But there we go. It's my dough.
It'd be fun is to eat some cookies in front of the Christmas tree and watch some movies. That sounds like fun. Roll these out. Let's just refrigerate this now for 2 hours. See you in a couple hours. Okay, so my buttery cream cheese dough has been chilling for a little over 2 hours. It calls to cut them in squares, but I'm just going to use a round cutter instead of doing the squares, and then fold my corners that way. Maybe I am. Can't even get that to come out. Here we go. So I take a tablespoon of our apricot jam and spoon it into the middle. And because mine are gluten-free, they're a little brittle, but I will try, you're supposed to then fold them over. That's not quite what that's supposed to look like. What I've got so far, I've got more dough to roll out. Alright, and then you bake them at a 375-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Okay, here are my apricot kolaches. Some of them opened back up. They look a little weird, but you know, here they are. We'll see what they taste like.
Hey!
Hey,
Those are cool. You just didn't pinch them together. What's the deal? This is awesome. This is on the show.
Good, yes. The Hungarian.
Look at it.
They're straight out of the oven, so they're hot.
Oh, they're hot?
Yeah.
Go take it over and show. Well, probably too much jelly. Jelly for the Kelly. Jelly Kelly. Oh, this is a nice one too. That's really pretty.
There we go.
That's really cool.
Apricot.
Is that what they're supposed to look like?
Sort of.
There.
You want to try this one?
I'll try one. I'll try one of these.
Ooh, that's what I meant. They're really hot. Straight out of the oven hot.
Huh? How are you going to eat something that hot? It's still going to be hot when I put that jam in my mouth.
Don't burn yourself. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Gosh.
That's real good. That's really good. Now it's hot. I like that.
That's nice. That's not bad.
Mm-hmm. That's nice and fluffy.
It's a cream cheese dough.
The jam wasn't so hot. I'd probably eat 3.
I haven't put mine down yet.
How can you do that?
Maybe it's because I walked around with it for a bit.
Maybe. Oh, I need a plate. I want a plate.
These are good. We're gonna eat some of these.
It's the happy dance.
Okay, let's just do this.
Merry Christmas! Gonna have some of these.
We're gonna eat some of these.
You're laugh. Gonna have this.
Evergreen, mistletoe, candy cane, Santa Claus. A gingerbread woman and a gingerbread man in a gingerbread house and all. Christmas is just a